Today we're gonna unbox this box. I don't know, but it's very broken. So let's unbox it. These knives, these are very sharp. So ask a parent to help you when you stuff. And I'm just gonna use this scissor. Okay, there. So you can see. So this box is very torn up and it's already open for some reason. So let's get this thing out. That's all. With. So this is what it is. Sorry. There. So this is how you do it. You put this. This is actually my first time, but it's metal, so it just sticks on. And you can switch, so you can do this blue and green one, and you can do this, or you can switch it to this red, black, and yellow one. Do that, and then I believe you do this. Okay, so this is how you do it. You see this hole? This thing right here? There's a hole right here. You put this, line it in, and then you can see it spins, and then this button, see this button? It launches. So you pull this. Use this one only. So you just put this in. So yeah, just. Yeah, that's everything. And yeah, that's all. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and hit the bell button.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
See you next time.
See you next time.